Alright, we're gonna make some vegan musubi. What? There it is, so beautiful. Alright, first we're gonna start off with an empty bowl. Nice and clean. We're gonna take our shoyu, unfermented soy sauce straight from Hawaii, into the bowl. Boom. Then you take your garlic, your ginger, and your onion, and you add it to the bowl. Next, brown sugar, Japanese chili flake, and some mushroom seasoning. And then some vegetarian fish sauce, because why not? Last but not least, a couple dabs of the sesame oil. Then you take your whisk. And do you whisk it or do you stir it? You whisk it. Next you take your emerald tofu. Shameless plug, we get this from my dad's store. Aw yeah. Add it to that marinade and you use your hands and you manhandle it. There you go. And once you do that, you just let it sit to the side for a couple minutes and get your stove ready. You take your pan and in that good avocado oil and you let it swirl around. Oh yeah. You add your marinated tofu to the pan. It's on medium heat. And you just cook it until it's nice and golden brown. Then you take some of that sauce and drizzle. Yup. You just stir it around. Make sure it's nice and happy. That's what we're looking for right there. And a little zoomage. You can see those crispy sides? That's the sign right there. Major key. Okay. Now we are forming the musubi. You take this musubi maker, I got it from Amazon. It was like $2. You take your furikake, put on top of that rice. You take your cooked marinated tofu, add some green onions on top, push that down, and then wrap it with some nori. And there you go. A beautiful vegan musubi ready to be devoured.